take 25 minutes or less. Let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so starting off with cheesy flatbread, we're going to pair with the Caesar salad. To make this flatbread, we're going to put some butter down first with our ricotta cheese mixture, add some additional cheese, pop it into the oven until it's bubbly and golden, and then you're going to take it out, pair with that salad, and boom, here you go. And it took less than 25 minutes. Next up is brown butter pancakes. All I did was I took a pancake box mix from Aldi. I incorporated it with some brown butter, with an egg, as well as some milk. So I didn't quite follow the directions on the box of pancakes, but I definitely spruced it up to make it taste oh so delicious. Paired it with some breakfast meat, and here you go. It's a really easy dinner. I mean, hey, my kids love breakfast for dinner, so another easy way to serve it up. Moving on to the next meal is barbecue chicken quesadillas. Easy way to get dinner on the table within 25 minutes. We're going to be using a prepackaged barbecue chicken packet from Aldi. I'm going to pair it with some cheese to make the quesadillas, and then we're going to put it with a avocado and red onion salad, and it's going to taste so delicious, and once again, under 25 minutes. Moving right on over to some grilled steak and a Greek salad. Now, y'all do not judge me. I know the steak is dark. One, it was the marinade, and two, my kids love it well done. No judgment, y'all. So I paired this with a Greek salad, which was equally easy to make. Put some naan bread with it and some tzatziki sauce, and it was a delicious meal. The kids loved it. I loved it. Make sure you give it a try. And last up is a chicken and maple bacon Caesar salad. So basically took a package of Caesar salad, then I pan-seared up some chicken, made some maple bacon pieces, and then I paired all of that together, topped it with a little bit more Parmesan cheese, and boom, you have an easy peasy dinner that took 25 minutes or less. Hope you're feeling inspired to make dinner tonight. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe for more.